Cristina Villacorta Cold and Flu Kit. Homeopathy offers natural, safe alternative remedies to relieve cold and flu symptoms. Homeopathy cold remedies work to address your flu symptoms while promoting your body healing mechanisms for faster recovery. Available in assorted combinations, identified by a homeopath based on Dr. Banerjee protocols. Safe and effective for cold and flu in both adults and children. 1. Reduces discomfort of cold and flu. 2. Naturally decongests stuffy nose, relieves sinus pressure. 3. Stimulates body antihistamine response for allergy-induced symptoms. 4. Loosens mucus and controls cough. 5. Relieves headache, sore throat, and minor aches and pains. Some medicine with indications. 1. Allium Cepa for sneezing, watery eyes. 2. Arsenicum Album for restless and anxious states. 3. Baptisia Tinct for sore body, low-grade fever that lingers in cold and flu conditions. 4. Belladonna for high fever where the patient is very hot to touch and looks very red on his face. 5. Sanguinaria 200C for spasmodic or whooping cough. Comes in easy-to-carry zip case with neatly organized medicines and quick reference guide, 28-page printed booklet. Buy online on homeomart.com.